To determine pollutant in river, dissolved amount is measured in oxygen. The gas used for respiration by diver, oxygen, helium. For combustion, oxygen is necessary. Fuel cell is also called oxygen fuel cell. Number of oxygen atom required in one molecule of ozone 3. Maximum non-metallic characteristic in group 16 element oxygen. Number of oxygen atom are in molecule of oxygen 2. Molecular mass O2 32. Main component of SiO2. The oxygen molecule contains a double covalent bond. Atom of which element combine with hydrogen to give water oxygen. The gas causes rancidity in food product oxygen. Irrespective of source, pure water contains 88.89% mass by oxygen. Also called laughing gas, nitrous oxide. Chemical nut gas like nitrogen is filled in electric bulb. Substance used as anesthetic is chloroform and nitrous oxide. Minimum environmental pollution caused by hydrogen. In the following chemical reaction, which chemical species is getting oxidized? H2. A student performed a reaction with zinc and sulfuric acid. The zinc sulfate is formed along with gas. The gas evolved with hydrogen. Water is water cyclic resource. Heavy water is so called because it uses deuterium, a heavy isotope of hydrogen rather than protium. Heavy water is a term related to which of the following nuclear power generation plant? Mass number of deuterium 2. Gases obtained by metal react with dilute acid hydrogen. Only those metal can displace hydrogen atom which are above hydrogen in electrochemical series. Discovered by Henry Cavendish. Hydrogen. Electric configuration hydrogen is similar to alkaline metal. Hydrogenation of vegetable oil is example of combination reaction. Hardness of water is represented in ppm. Conversion of hard into salt water by boiling or adding calcium hydroxide is called Clark process. Ions process only for hardness of water called calcium magnesium ion. Method will be employed to test hardness of water. Formation of oil lather with soap. Which compound is used for removing permanent hardness of water? Washing soda. Most common isotope of hydrogen, protium. Hydrogen chloride is a diatomic. The statement of hydrogen is not true. It is completely safe to drink. Type of water completely known, free from any impurity, distilled water. Common name of hydrogen peroxide, bleach. Used for pulp bleaching in paper factory, hydrogen peroxide. Used as alternative for chlorine in bleaching, hydrogen peroxide. Phosphorus 15 group 3rd period. Atomicity of phosphorus tetraatomic. Henning brand phosphorus. Kept in water, avoid catching fire. Matchstick are made up of phosphorus. Electronic configuration 285. Phosphoric acid H3PO4. Non-metal placed in air in an ignite phosphorus. Meaning of symbol P, phosphorus. Most reactive phosphorus, white phosphorus.